Welcome to lesson number 15. Today we are going to talk about talking in a sequence. يرنا نتي زربانا من دحر من قدم انتاي بدحر انتاي يرنا بمسرع يرنا نزارب كم رئينا لما عنك مالتي لازي لما عنتي همزي ان قالاتنا فوكاس كنقبر كأني number 1 first we very good ስለዚህ بحبر حبير كاز قدر كيان نقر مجمرة همزيرنا اسكا قرصن نبلع اسكا نبل first we
I eat breakfast.
كلاتنا قرنا
First we eat breakfast.
first we eat breakfast very good then بدل أنت تمت next you need to go to school نجيب بحسب كنزارب صحينا دحريو تمرت زلو والله سب حدا خوانا دحريو سخانا تمرتي مخاد يدليكا next you need to go to school
Next you need to go to school.
very good first we eat breakfast then next you need to go to school after that yeah it will start so نقراتي زخا okay بدحريو كجمري let's say فيلمي أنا بلا وينقعش أنا بلا after that it will start at 5 p.m.
After that it will start at 5 p.m.
very good then finally we will watch football together
finally we will watch football together
very good أمور داتا football بحنساب بينا كنرينا so finally I finally she finally he إلنا نجمدو مالتي نقر مالتي مجمرة بدحريو دحركا أمور داتا إلنا نجمدو good vocabulary كنرينا لو ما عندنا تكملا number 1 click ማለት ኮምፒውተር ጌርካ ዝኾነ ነገር ክትወቕ ከለኻ ክሊክ ትገብር ኣለኻ ማለት እዩ ኣብ ሊንክ ክትወቕ ተለኻ ኣብ ሊንክ ክሊክ ትገብር ኣለኻ ፋይል ትኸፍት ተለኻ ኣብ ፋይል ክሊክ ትገብር ኣለኻ ማለት እዩ ሶ ክሊክ ማለት ምጥዋቕ ማለት እዩ ኦኬ number 2 download ካብ ኢንተርኔት ናብ ሞባይልካ ናብ ላፕቶፕካ ቪዲዮ ፋይል ከተውርድ ከለኻ ማለት እዩ download okay ካልሰይቲ save very good save ካ ምዕቃብ ማለት እዩ ንኣብነት ሓንቲ ቪድዮ ኤዲት ትገብር ምሽ ክሳብ በፂሕካ ዘለኻ تعقبا تكون كذا تبلع save very good كذا تحت دلوا مبل
first click on the
registration
link
very good first click on the registration link after the registration link أول مجمرة تبلع الله مالتي okay نعملت على حالة مزجب هونكا مجمرة تابع registration link كتو علىك okay على يتغن
next you need to download the
lesson
file
very good next you need to download the lesson file very nice okay بدحريو نتي بزعبات التمرتي زولو فايل داونلود نام موبايلكا نام لابتوبكا سيف بيورو and دحريها
after that it is important to save your progress
very good after that it is important to save your progress ማለት أبي بتحكي لها مالتي تنات كاز جبر كايو أبي تابت كورس دامز جب كايو تكير على كمانتي Okay. Nice. One more time نتكمل. Click.
Click.
Download.
Download.
Save.
Save.
Very good. Then additional vocabularies. Send.
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 مسداد معناتها send. Okay. Last time think هنا. Receive.
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 Receive. مغبار. Finish.
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 Very good. Finish ka. ሓደ ነገር ገለ ክፋሉ ምውዳእ ማለት እዩ ሓደ ኣክሽን ትውድኦ ከለካ ፊኒሽ እስከዚያ ኣንባ
You should send the document directly to the teacher.
Very good. You should send the documents directly to the teacher. ነቲ documents ብቀጥታ ናብቲ መምህር ክትሰዶ ኣለካ. Okay, next one.
You will receive confirmation
email quickly. Nice. You will receive a confirmation email quickly. ከምዚ ሓደ ነገር ብዕውት ከም ዝገበርካዮ ዘረጋግፅ ኣብነት ሬጅስተር ተገይርካ confirmation email ተመዝጊብካ ኣለካ ዝብል መፀካ. So confirmation email ማለት. Okay, last one.
Finally, we finish the step.
The setup
process.
Setup process.
Setup process.
Yeah, setup كأكل ነገር አበቦቱ ምስራዕ ማለት እዩ.
Setup.
Okay. Finally, we finish the setup process. Good. ስለዚህ እዚአን ኣብ መጀመርታ structure ንጥቀመለን. First we dash, next you need to do dash. Okay? Then ናይ መጀመርታ structure ዜን ካ ናይ concluding end. Concluding ማለት
after ድሕሪ
ክነሓፆ ክንጅምር ከለና መደምደምታ ክንብል ከለና ማለት እዩ. Okay? ዜን ካ ንመደምደምታ እየን. ኣብ መወዳእታ ከምዚ ኮይኑ ኣብ መወዳእታ ከምዚ ኮይኑ. Very good. So, زيالاتنا example. First, we open the file, and next, you need to click save. Okay?
Okay.
After that, it uploads automatically. Finally, we finish. نجي بزن لو ما عندي زرعنا in vocabulary كركات تتكلم. زعبا file, زعبا document, زعبا download. Now, نقرأ بناتك. First, I نجي قبل بدحري خمسة قبل.
First, I click the videos.
Very good. Wait. First, I click the videos. And
after that,
no, at beginning in Adlana.
Okay. And I watch at
and the next
I watch videos.
I watch the videos. Very good. Sure, nothing concluding Karina. After that,
I study for focus by focus.
I study hard.
I study hard.
Finally, كانت فتنة حريفية. I وديت على
I finish the videos.
Okay. Finally, I finish the videos. Very good. That's it. There. مسرع جاكات نقول لها مالتي. Okay. أبزخنا نقرأ خاطك أملا. ولا أنا أبنت كم يجركا بون سرح ذلكس. First كم زت قبل. Then or next كم قبل. Finally, it's ready. Finally, you drink the coffee. Good match. Okay? Good. اسكب زعبانات كديلو روتين كنقرن. مجمرتا كمجمرتا لميركا. سب finally تقبرن نقرن.
Okay. I wake up. The first, I wake up early
Okay.
and I wash my face
Mm-hmm.
and I take exercise.
I do exercise.
I do exercise.
Mm-hmm.
After that,
Mm-hmm.
I I read a book.
I read a book. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And finally,
Finally, I take a shower.
okay. Very good. Nice.
After that, I eat breakfast.
Finally, تلك وديها.
Okay.
أبتوش توصف لها زن
Then
then يكا توصف لها شو مختود جمركا after that it will then more data لها finally I go to school finally I go to church till night okay good بتقولني احنا نقرا كيسها بإنجلش نقرا إنها بمسرح هاي
okay.
مجمرة أبتا فايل كليك تقبر
The first, click the link.
okay file
Okay.
not link
The first, click the file.
first click the file
First, click the file.
There you send the file ናብ መምህርካ ስለዳ
The files, send the file, send your teacher.
send the file to your teacher
Send the file to your teacher.
then confirmation مستقبلك
After that, send the conversation.
نقبل
After
confirmation
that, send receive the
after that you receive
conservation
confirmation
confirmation.
yeah more data
Finally,
you close the laptop
you close the laptop.
finally you close
Finally, you close the laptop.
very good nice ኣመወዳእታኻ ላፕቶፕካ ተዓፅዋ ማለት እዩ ኣብ ዩቲብ ክርኢ ደልየ ዝኾነ ቪድዮ ብዛዕባ እንግሊሽ ከመይ ገይረ ይርኢ ስቴፕ ባይ ስቴፕ እስከ ንገረኒ ፈርስት
The first, click the YouTube application.
okay very good then
Search for needs videos.
okay search the topic
Yeah. After that, you click you want videos.
click the videos you want okay
Click the yeah.
and finally
You watch the video.
very good nice that's it እዚን ስቴፕስ ንሆም ኢና ንጥቀመሉ ማለት እዩ ኣብ ዝኾነ ስራሕ ኣብ ትምህርቲ ይኹን step by step ዝኾነ action ክንዛረብ ከለና ማለት እዩ can I ask you one more question I want to post a video on TikTok how can I post it I want to post video
You want to post videos. You click the TikTok account.
first
First, click the your TikTok account.
okay
You take videos.
okay you take a video
Yeah.
after taking I don't post it direct right I make some changes
Yeah, you have changes and editings.
I edit it
Yeah.
Okay.
Edit it. After this, all finish for the videos. The videos.
ሕጂ እታ ቁም ነገር ሒዝካ ኣለካ እታ ቁም ነገር ናትና ከዓ ይትረሳዓ እያ ብዛዕባ first after that ኢና ንበሃል okay I edit the videos
The last, send the videos.
At the last finally
Finally, send the videos.
ሕጂ ዳውንሎድ ካብ ኢንተርኔት ናብ ሞባይልካ ምውራድ እዩ ምሽ ምስ ካልእቲ ኮይንካ ካብ ሞባይልካ ናብ ኢንተርኔት ክስቕሎ ከለካ እንታይ ይበሃል? ኣፕሎድ
upload
ያ ሰንድ
download
ዘይኮነ
upload
ሰንድ ዘይኮነ then finally upload the videos
upload
okay one more ኣይትረሳዕየን ግን first next after that finally ግድን ክትእትወና ኣለካ now tell me I want to send a picture to my friend on WhatsApp. What should I do?
okay the first is click your friend WhatsApp. After that is your writing
Right
you write the message.
Okay.
After that you send the message.
I want to send you in picture.
Okay. You're ready. After that, you're ready your picture.
You select your picture.
Yeah, select the picture. Finally, you send your friend.
Very good. Finally, send your picture. First, open his number on WhatsApp, then text him some message, then select the picture, then send the picture to your friend. That's good. So the end sequence is the end. جمعنا نتنا مسرعنا حتت مالتي. والله ما عم تدرانين vocabularies زينين. Click, download, save, send, receive, finish. Very good. Okay. ካብ ሞባይልና ናብ ኢንተርኔት ምፅዓን ንበልና እንታይ ትባሃል? ምውራድ ካብ ኢንተርኔት ናብ ሞባይልና ናብ ላፕቶፕና ዳውንሎድ ኢልና ምሽ ካብ ሞባይልና ፖስት ክንብል ከለና ካብ ላፕቶፕና እንታይ ይበሃል? ዳውንሎድ ተውርዶ ከለካ ክሰቀል ከለካ down مرادي upload post تقول كلا أنت يلي مسكها upload تقول مسكها نعم موبايل كحت تروح مثل أنت يجبل مسكها download yeah okay so do you have any questions from today's class? First next, then after that, finally, step by step, then مسرع يركع زارب كلها معي.
First.
Do you have any question?
I don't have question.
It's clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
هبتي كنمهارة صنعنا سيزن مسرع تراي تأتور له معناتي. I passed you from my feature هم زي قدس. First, I will go to Eritrea. Next, I will visit my friend. After that, I will drink coffee with my friend. Finally, I will come back to Uganda. See? I'm the one who had to fail. A future, a past, a present, had to fail. Okay, so this is our class for lesson 15.
15, thank you.
Yeah. Is about sequence. طيب بعد المسرع غير كم زرع sequence. Yeah. Good. This is our class for today. See you in the next class.